Olympian Neeraj Chopra's victory has created frenzy among 1.3 billion Indians in the country. Well, from his elated family members to the army to the political leaders, everybody is lauding the gold clincher's stunning victory. Take a look at these joyous celebrations that have broken out now across India.
The army jawan scripts history. Subedar Neeraj Chopra clinches gold for India. Independent India's first gold medal in track and field has left the country elated. From his family to ministers, to army jawans, all are lauding Neeraj Chopra's stunning victory. The gold medalist's delighted father shared his joy with India today.
जी हमारी उम्मीदों पे और देश की उम्मीदों पे खरा उतरा तो हमारे बेटे को पूरा आशीर्वाद है जी मेरे हिसाब से तो उसने पूरे देश का नाम रोशन किया है.
And his mother told us the story of how Neeraj at a young age met his golden arrow.
हाँ जी उसने जाकर देखा जी वहाँ जैवलिन फांक दे पाए और उसके दोस्त भी मिल गए. उन्होंने बताया कि भाई तू कुछ गेम करके देख, मेहनत तो कर रहा है. बहुत खुशी करी बेटे जमा खुशी का दिन आज आया है. हर एक बरूर मेहनत करी बेटे जमा करती है लेकिन सारा भारत बाट देख रहा है.
She even shared her plan to prepare Olympians' favorite delicacies to welcome him.
तो नीरज जब पहले दिन घर आएगा क्या खिलाओगे आप नीरज को?
उसको चूरमा पसंद है जी. चूरमा.
उसको क्या पसंद है?
चूरमा.
An overjoyed Chief Minister of Haryana even announced 6 crore rupees prize for the man who got gold for India.
13 तारीख को अभिनंदन तो हम करेंगे ही. उनको जो हमारी पॉलिसी है उसमें 6 करोड़ रुपए की राशि वो भी दी जाएगी.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated Neeraj while lauding his remarkable passion and unparalleled grit. Congratulatory messages from the President, Home Minister and Defence Minister were quick to follow.
He has brought this medal not only for India, but I think it's a great hope for the upcoming generations to inspire a lot of young people to play sport and to win more medals in future.
One man's golden throw has created a frenzy among 1.3 billion people. Victory has never tasted this sweet.
Well, Neeraj Chopra has scripted history in Tokyo by clinching a historic gold, and this gold is the result of tireless training. From core strengthening exercises to speed training, Neeraj has been putting in the hard yards every single day. He weighed 80 kilograms as an 11-year-old, and now with a rigorous training routine, he is India's most fittest athlete.
This is Neeraj Chopra, India's star javelin thrower.
He's got the jump, and this time around there's a cry of war on his face. How much has he got?
He's the Asian and Commonwealth Games champion. In 2018, Neeraj, still fresh from his memorable victories on the international stage, had told India Today's Rahul Kanwal how he was aiming to win the gold at Tokyo 2020.
आपको लगता है कि ओलंपिक्स 2020 टोक्यो में गोल्ड पॉसिबल है नीरज?
2 साल में अभी 86 से मैंने 2 मीटर कवर किया है, तो उसके हिसाब से लग रहा है कि थोड़ा और हम हार्ड वर्क करेंगे, टेक्निकल काम करेंगे कोच के साथ मिलके, तो पॉजिटिविटी लग रही है ओलंपिक गोल्ड की. और इस एज में जैसे जिनका जैन जलाजनी जिनका वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है, उन्होंने इस एज में 88 मीटर तक थ्रो किया था, तो वो भी काफ़ी अच्छे थ्रो रहे थे. तो उसके हिसाब से मुझे लग रहा है कि उनका वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है तो मैं भी कुछ कर सकता हूँ.
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड पे निशान है आपका.
Neeraj indeed has been hard at work, honing his body to be in the best possible shape to try and win India their first gold since Abhinav Bindra's in 2008. And much like Bindra, it's not the end result Neeraj cares about, it's the process leading up to it.
He wants to go out there and he is not really focused on whether he gets 86 or 87 or 89 or 90, but he wants to get his throw technically correct, and that in itself is a huge challenge.
It's this process that has allowed Neeraj Chopra to top the charts in qualification at Tokyo 2020. With only his first throw, Neeraj booked a place in the final in his inimitable style, with a tumble after he had sent the spear flying into the daytime sky. His monster throw crossed the qualification mark before piercing the ground at 86.65 meters. And Neeraj has been consistently improving year after year. The 23-year-old is constantly looking for innovative ways to increase his strength and agility. From the use of TheraBands to lifting weights, from core strengthening exercises to speed training, Neeraj has been putting in the hard yards every day.
Technically, Neeraj has improved a lot over the last few years. And if you look at him now versus what he was 5 years ago, he's a lot stronger, he's a lot fitter, he's a lot faster.
With a rigorous fitness regime but an unorthodox training method, Neeraj only has one goal in his mind, and that's to keep getting better. And his chiseled, godlike physique is testimony to his hard work.
He's been working a lot with Klaus, and who is his coach, to try and really get a release point for his javelin, and that has been the key factor for his big distances and PBs that he's been hitting lately.
From an 11-year-old who weighed 80 kgs to becoming one of India's fittest athletes, Neeraj Chopra's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary and inspirational. Sports Bureau,